Hardwood floors look amazing, but keeping them clean can be a challenge. You don't want scratches. You don't want dust hiding in corners, and you definitely don't want to be vacuuming every single day. In today's video, we're diving into the best robot vacuums for hardwood floors, what features you should look for, and my top 2 picks for keeping your floors spotless without lifting a finger. Let's get started. When it comes to hardwood floors, not all robot vacuums are created equal. You want one that cleans effectively and treats your wood gently. Firstly, what could scratch your floors? Robot vacuums interact with your floor through their brushes and wheels. On delicate surfaces like wood or vinyl, stiff bristles or hard plastic wheels can leave visible marks over time. Sometimes, they might even pick up small debris, like tiny pebbles or grit, and drag it along, which can cause scratches as they move. But minimizing the risk of scratches is possible. Most modern smart vacuums have soft, non-abrasive brushes, rubberized wheels, and sensors that alert you if they're stuck or caught on something, reducing repeated friction and the chance of damage. Here are the key features you should look for when choosing a robot vacuum for hardwood floors. Soft, non-abrasive or rubber brushes. Prevent micro scratches while still grabbing dust and hair effectively. Strong suction with multiple modes. Deep clean the grooves on max, and use Eco for quieter daily runs. Rubberized, large wheels. Glide smoothly without dents, and handle floor transitions gently. Advanced navigation and gentle bumper sensors. Map your space to avoid bumping into furniture legs over and over again. Mop or 2-in-1 cleaning function. Lightly damp microfiber pads remove fine dust film without soaking the wood. Edge cleaning and low-profile design. Side brushes for baseboards and a slim body for hard-to-reach spots. Quiet operation. Lower decibel modes are perfect for hardwood floors, which amplify sound. Now, let's talk about my 2 top picks for hardwood-friendly robot vacuums. Eufy E28 is perfect for hardwood floors because it delivers powerful cleaning without being harsh on your wood. Its 20,000 pascal turbo suction easily pulls out fine dust from floorboard gaps, the kind of dust that dulls your floor's shine over time. Yet it works in a way that's gentle enough to avoid scattering debris or scratching your finish. The HydroJect system keeps mop pads fresh throughout the cleaning session, so when it lightly mops hardwood, it's always with a clean, low-moisture pad. No dirty water smearing, no risk of overwetting your wood. Hair on hardwood can be tricky. It wraps around brushes and drags across the floor. The Duo Spiral Detangle brushes solve that, preventing tangles that could cause rough, dragging movements. And with the Corner Rover arm, it reaches right into edges and corners where dust collects, but normal robots often miss it. As a bonus, the Flexi-One Portable Deep Cleaner lets you detach a handheld unit to spot clean stairs, furniture, or edges. Places your hardwood transitions meet other surfaces, without having to drag out a separate vacuum. And of course, it comes with smart AI obstacle avoidance, so it won't nudge into your furniture.
How long will this take to clean?
Just leave it.
If you want a set-it-and-forget-it cleaner for hardwood, iRobot Roomba J7 is an excellent choice. Its dual rubber brushes are designed to stay in contact with the floor without scratching, even after months of use. The suction is tuned for hard surfaces, so it picks up light debris and fine dust without chasing it around. Its smart navigation maps your home and cleans efficiently, avoiding furniture legs and rugs, meaning less chance of bump marks or climbing onto areas it shouldn't. The J7 is also great at recognizing everyday obstacles, so it won't drag small items that could scratch your hardwood. So here's the takeaway. Hardwood floors are beautiful, but they need the right kind of care. That means a robot vacuum that's powerful enough to pull dust from the smallest gaps, yet gentle enough to protect the finish from scratches or water damage. Look for soft brushes, rubber wheels, smart navigation, and low-moisture mopping, all the features we talked about today. Pick the model that matches your home's layout, your daily cleaning needs, and how much automation you want. That's how you keep wood floors shining for years without the hard work. Now, I'm curious, which of these robots do you think is the perfect fit for your hardwood floors? Comment to let me know. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart home tips, and I'll see you next time.